The 15th day of the 8th lunar month is a Mid-Autumn Festival, a celebration that focuses on the moon. Enjoying the beauty of the full moon on this day has been a long-standing traditional Chinese custom for centuries. The Western Lake Three Pools mirroring the moon in Hangzhou, East China's Zhoujiang province, is a great spot to appreciate the full moon. There are 3 hollow stone towers in the center of the Western Lake. On the night of Mid-Autumn Festival, the lights in the tower reflects 15 moons across the surface of the water around the towers. The true moon and its reflected counterparts are difficult to distinguish, giving rise to the name Three Pools mirroring the moon. The Chinese loved the moon of the Mid-Autumn Festival so much, and even printed the picture of the 3 pools mirroring the moon on the back of 1 yuan note. According to the legend, in ancient times, there were 10 suns in the sky simultaneously, and the strong exposure and extremely hot temperature made people's lives a misery. A hero named Hou Yi came along, shut down 9 suns, and saved the world. To reward his bravery, the Queen Mother gave him an elixir as a reward. Chang'e, Hou Yi's wife, drank the elixir by accident and became immortal. Since immortals cannot remain in a mortal realm, she had to leave the earth, ascended to the moon, and could only watch the human world from afar. China's Chang'e Moon Exploration Project is named after this story. On January 3, 2019, Chang'e's detector number 4 successfully landed on the moon, returning the world's first close-range image of the dark side of the moon. Aside from Spring Festival, the Mid-Autumn Festival is the most important festival symbolizing reunion. The roundness of the full moon expresses people's desire for a wholesome, happy family. Eating mooncakes is an important custom during the Mid-Autumn Festival. Due to the different diet habits in different regions, mooncakes vary in taste. Traditional flavors include fillings of 5 kernel, egg yolk, jujube paste, and bean paste. Now, there are new flavors like ice cream and durian. Although the taste of mooncake is changing, the symbolic meaning of the full moon remains unchanged. And the Chinese custom of eating mooncake and longing for reunion during the Mid-Autumn Festival will never fade away.
Jack and Kings wish all Chinese Americans a happy Mid-Autumn Festival. In the USA,